welcome back, you beautiful people, to the Lupus on Jam. I'm your amazing host, Jam, and I'll be talking about the future. Yes, it's the episode of today's title, and how lupus is going to affect it. As I've been told, I'll have to be checking in with doctors for about 5 years, give or take. And that's one right there. Promotions, shoutouts, and ads. Do you know that I have a Patreon? Why don't you donate to become a patron and get one of the many tiers, or just browse the public posts on there? Not only a donation helps me and the podcast, a percentage of the proceeds you donate will be going to the charity Lupus UK, where they help fight against lupus. It's time for the subject of the day. Our visions for the future: flying cars, teleporting beams, and even going back in time. But let me tell you, my idea of the future didn't include lupus. But the world goes on, you see. Lupus being the little drama queen they are, wanting to be the attention of everything and ruin everything, kind of messed up my plans of going into the army. I don't think the army will take someone who's chronically ill. The conversation would go something like this: "Get up that log, recruit. 1 minute, let me just get my pills. My kid is acting upset." So yeah, I don't think I can get into the army anymore. Thanks, lupus. Which throws a curve into my future, as I was aiming to join the army since I left school. It was part of my plan to get my dream job of being a licensed aircraft mechanical engineer. I know, it sounds so great, it's just real great, or just like lame for short. Yes, it's actually lame for short. Take the first words of each, take the letters of the first words, and then put them together and you get lame. So yeah, I'm aiming to be a lame person in the future. I'm not changing my career goals because of lupus. Yeah, I might have to take a different path now, but I'm not letting this illness control my life. I've always been a fighter, so I'm just going to continue to aim for my original goal, even with lupus, who is still a drama queen and will probably try to stop me with its symptoms. But worries. I worry for the future, because thanks to lupus, I have to do things that I didn't have to do before, which I find annoying. Let's talk about them. It's a podcast after all. Pills. Taking pills every day. Right now, the intake is slowly decreasing, which I'm happy about, and is slowly increasing, which I'm not happy about. But what if I flare up, really badly? And have to take a bunch of pills every morning, every day, remembering, scheduling. I'm not that good at scheduling. I'm not that organized. Guess I have to learn because I have to do it every day. So yeah, I can see that could affect my future. Secondly, checkups. Having to always schedule around checkups. It will affect your social life, which, I don't have. But maybe even work. You don't know. In the future, it will affect work in the future. So, I gotta bring home the dough. I have to bring home the dough in the future. I'm never saying dough again. Oh, that was bad. But of course, another thing, joint pain and tiredness will also affect me. I might even lose job opportunities over lupus. So yeah, lupus affects the future, my future, a lot. But despite all that worry, I'm still confident. I'm still confident. I know it's a shock. Who knows? They might even find a cure. Just find a cure. In a few years. The future's unpredictable, and that what makes life worth living. The unpredictability. So yeah, turned into a guru for a second. So let's move a little bit along and go into our next section, which is interesting fact. Do you know that lupus affects women more than men? This is because of hormones like estrogen, which is higher within women than men. I didn't know that estrogen causes all sorts of problems. So now that I do know, you and lupus, you can sit in a corner, you can think about life, and just think about how you guys are drama queens and wanting to ruin everyone's lives. Ruin everyone's lives. Sit in a corner. Think about yourself. Promotion, shoutouts, and ads. Do you know that I have a YouTube channel? Check out JH Radio, as I'll be uploading highlights from the 2 episodes uploaded this week. These highlights will be posted every Thursday. It's time for my personal report. Last week's report, positive points first. The smell of medicine P is gone. I'm gaining more strength, which is nice. My appetite has returned. No fever, no swelling, no rashes, no brown pee, no swollen glands, and I'm not losing weight. Negative points, joint pain still here, extreme feeling of tiredness, brain fogs, trouble sleeping, sleep schedule messed up, being bloated, having to take pills every day. Positive points add up to 9, and negative add up to 7. So guys, it's been a positive week. Let's lighten the mood with some dark humor. It's funny quotes / memes based on chronic illnesses. When you're on antidepressants and someone next to you sneezes. Nah. People say love is the best feeling, but I think finding a toilet when you're having diarrhea is better. Okay, that one is funny. Me all night when I should be sleeping, wide awake. Me all day when I should be asleep. That is me. Doctor, don't worry, the X-ray is safe. Doctor, when you're getting into the X-ray, like a million feet away, the radiation. When the doc comes in and asks you the same question the nurse just did. The struggle is real. I went through that, and it's not fun. It's like 50 people just came in and it's like, well, not 50, like five people in a row just keep coming in and saying, oh, we just did this, we just did this. And I was like, yeah, I know, you did it to me, and you did it over, like, one time, and you keep saying you did it. It's like, we ran tests. Yeah, we know. We know you ran tests. I know you ran that specific test that you seem to be so concerned about. But, yeah, I know. They should put prices at the bottom of prescription bottles. Like, oh, sorry for all the side effects. It's free and exit subscription. And some funny songs. Now that's nice. Or a brain fog. The struggle's real. Me. Toast seems like a safe meal. I'll put in some toast. Me. Puts in bread. Me. Stands next to toaster for 2 minutes. Me. What am I doing here? Pop! And me screams. Oh, that'd be so funny. That'd be real funny. I'll probably laugh myself, Having multiple chronic illnesses and trying to have to explain them and how they all interact have me like, I am error. Imagine having multiple chronic illnesses. Nah, I feel sorry. Me going over my medical history, a new doctor realizing he's in for a wild ride. Luckily my medical history isn't as crazy as other people's. But yeah, that's just me going over funny things just for a bit of humor to lift my spirits for today, and maybe even just lift a little bit of yours. Anyways, it's time to reveal a mystery pill. It's pill of the day. For those who are new or didn't watch the second episode, since the podcast is coming to the end, I shall now butcher a pill name. But the pill will be on the Patreon if you want to see what it is. I'll also tell you what it does on the podcast. This helps widen your knowledge of what pills are connected to chronic illnesses. The pill of the day is Adcal D3. It helps my bones and it contains vitamin D. I find this one to be the best tasting. Promotions, shoutouts, and ads. Do you know that I have an Instagram called Lupus and Jam, capital L, with no spaces? Go check it out, where I post things relating to the podcast. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Quick note, all promotions mentioned in the podcast will be on the website, and all memes will be on Patreon. That's it for today. Jam out.